pancakes. Was it good? And what are you doing now with your hand?
I'm making taffy.
Out of what?
Marshmallow.
Oh, you keep squishing it, turns into taffy?
Yeah. Still.
Did you have pancakes too?
Yeah, I got 3.
3 blueberry pancakes. And you tried what?
Banana pancakes.
And what did it taste like?
Banana bread.
So it was good?
So if you don't like banana bread, try banana pancakes.
Or if you don't like pancakes, try banana pancakes, because maybe you like them instead of regular.
Yeah.
Cool. You like your taffy? Okay. There's Newton. Hi,
I'm
Newton.
making it into a ball. I'm making it into a ball, guys. I'm making it into a
Sam likes Newton. And Newton's big and
Where's
soft.
Piggy?
Biggie's hiding.
No, he's over there.
Yeah, kind of hiding.
Good morning. We are so glad that you were here with us today. We just got the girls back from their grandparents. Did you guys have fun?
Yep.
Yay! And now we're going to the pumpkin patch to pick out our pumpkins.
Yeah, I want to get a pumpkin.
Yay!
I'm going to get another pumpkin.
We're gonna get another pumpkin, yeah. Ready? Let's go.
Yep.
Look how pretty that is. We have to get a picture. Yay. Okay.
There's so many people.
Yeah, let's go over and take a picture by the Adirondack. Cool. Come here. So nice. Here, sit here and take your picture. Sure. Oh, cool. We're gonna get on the wagon soon. Ooh. The pretty horses. What do you think, buddy? Beautiful they are.
Look at that one, Mommy.
Oh, it has an 8 on it.
What?
Hi.
What does it have on it?
An 8. Hi, bud. They're so beautiful. What do you think, Sam?
What does it have on it?
An 8.
That one, other one is just running around. Or it's an
Yeah.
infinity sign.
Right.
Why does it have
What do you think, Tara? Pretty? Are you excited, girls? Oh, look at the horses. Do you like the horses?
Are you excited, buddy?
Yes, honey, it is.
I didn't know someone forgot.
All aboard. We'll take the tickets when you get down there.
Let's go. Sit down.
You're pushing me too good. I don't like anybody telling me I can't do that. Working up the baby.
Is that your pumpkin, buddy?
Yeah.
Is that your pumpkin?
Don't pick up my sandwich.
Zane, is that your pumpkin?
My pumpkin is the hugest pumpkin ever.
Zane! Okay, now we're going to a maple house.
A maple house? You can
Yeah,
live in it?
this is where they make maple syrup. Isn't that cool? See, they boil the sap that they get out on the maple trees.
I love maple syrup.
You put it on waffles and stuff. What do you think, bud? So nice. Cool, huh? Wow. Pretty cool. What do you think, girls? You go over here? They're so cute.
Just make sure you pat up by their head, not near their mouth, okay?
Black and brown.
Can I touch them?
Yeah, you just hand sanitize, so.
This is a boy, I think, because I'm born.
Oh, they're so
Mommy, this
cute.
one is a boy because I'm born.
I don't know. I don't know how you can tell the difference.
Those are their ears. No, right here. There's one more.
Right, yeah, but I don't know if the girl ones have horns or not. They're so cute.
What is it, like an egg? They're not gonna lay eggs, Mommy.
They might. I don't think right now, though.
Well, they're gonna. Because they're sitting down, that means they're gonna lay eggs.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, you know so much about the animal. How cute they
No,
are.
Mommy, they can escape without
Yeah,
legs.
yeah.
My second favorite animal.
Duck. They're so cute.
Mommy, can we go sit in that chair?
Sure, and take your picture.
Cotton candy, Mommy. Mommy, can I get cotton candy?
You gotta ask Daddy. Careful. Is that fun? Again? Huh? You seeing all the maple trees?
Yeah, I mean, we don't have any employees.
Maple
My
tree.
wife
Can
and
you
I
see maple
walk
tree?
around her house